carbohydrates are just one of the macromolecule types that we're going to be studying. And what they are sugars and polymers of sugars, meaning a lot of sugars put together. A monomer of a carbohydrate was a single sugar. Fancy science term for that is monosaccharide, because this prefix mono means one. So we connect multiple sugars and we get our polymer, which is a polysaccharide. That prefix, poly, means many. The most common elements found in sugars can be carbon, hydrogen, and last but not least, some oxygen. So C, H, and O. And when you put a sugar in solution, what you're going to get is that these sugars are going to form rings. One of the most important sugars that you have to remember the chemical formula for, and that is glucose. Glucose is a 6-carbon sugar, and its chemical formula is C6H12O6. It has 6 carbons, 6C, and attached to those we have 12 hydrogens, and also included are going to be 6 oxygens. It is going to be very important that you memorize this chemical formula. We care about glucose because polysaccharides, like starches in plants or glycogen in animals, serve as energy storage depots. So energy is stored in these guys. So if energy is needed, we must break down the polymers to get the monomers we want. And the monomer we want here is glucose. Glucose is significant because it is universal cellular fuel. So we know that glucose is a 6-carbon sugar. We know its chemical formula, C6H12O6. We also know that it's universal cellular fuel. And we know it's found in polysaccharides, such as starch in plants and glycogen in animals. Starch and glycogen are important for the storage of energy. That's why I said energy storage depots. But if we need energy, we have to break these down so that we have glucose. Glucose is usable energy.